Building a quality toolbox doesn't have to cost a fortune. Today, I'm showing you 10 incredible WORKPRO hand tools on Amazon, all under $25. From adjustable wrenches to screw extractors, these budget-friendly tools deliver serious value. Let's dive in. Number 1. WORKPRO 2-piece adjustable wrench set. First up, the WORKPRO 2-piece adjustable wrench set. This set includes a 6-inch and 10-inch wrenches, giving you versatility for home repairs, plumbing, and garage work. The 6-inch wrench fits up to 15/16 of an inch or 24 millimeters, while the 10-inch fits up to 1 5/16 inches or 33 millimeters. These sizes handle nuts and bolts from M6 to M20. What makes these special? The laser-etched dual metric and SAE scales let you adjust the jaw precisely. The smooth worm gear provides consistent control and grip without slippage. They're crafted from drop-forged chrome vanadium steel with a corrosion-resistant black oxide finish for durability. The ergonomic rubberized handles reduce hand fatigue during extended projects. Plus, they have hanging holes for tidy storage in your toolbox. Number 2 is the WORKPRO Mini Water Pump Pliers. These compact tongue-and-groove pliers are perfect for gripping round, flat, square, and hexagonal materials in tight spaces. At just 4 inches long with a slim head, this mini plier delivers strong performance and precise control in confined areas. The push-button mechanism offers 15 adjustable jaw positions for fast, secure size changes across various tasks. The V-jaw design provides strong multi-point contact for a firm hold on different shaped objects. Crafted from heat-treated steel with a black phosphate finish, these pliers resist rust and wear, making them perfect for plumbing, automotive, and home repairs. The groove design improves grip stability, ensuring a secure hold even in wet or oily conditions. The built-in hanging hole offers convenient storage. Number 3 is the WORKPRO 6-in-1 Linesman Pliers. This 8-inch multi-purpose tool combines 6 essential functions: fastening, clamping, winding, cutting, crimping, and stripping into one versatile tool. The plier works as a wire stripper for SLD 12, 14, 16, and STR 14, 16, 18 wires, easily stripping without damaging the wire core. It also functions as a wire cutter plier with a maximum cutting diameter of 2.3 millimeters for steel wire. The high-leverage design makes cutting extremely labor-saving. Forged from premium 60 CRV steel with overall heat treatment and blackened surface, it ensures higher hardness, toughness, and durability with stronger corrosion resistance. The overall hardness is 40 to 50 HRC, with cutting-edge hardness of 55 to 65 HRC. The TPR ergonomic non-slip handle provides comfort and control during extended use. Ideal for electricians, plumbers, carpenters, and car mechanics, it can cut steel wire, copper wire, iron wire, and other common metals. The strong bite force can easily reverse and effectively fix screws and nuts. Number 4 is the WORKPRO Ratcheting Combination Wrench Set. This 8-piece flex head set includes sizes 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, and 3/4 inch. The ratcheting anti-slip tooth design keeps the wrench head tight with no slipping or flopping, increasing anti-slip property by 30%. The ratcheting wrench grips fasteners even when they become rounded due to long-term wear. The 72-tooth ratchet gear requires only a 5-degree swing arc, allowing it to turn in limited spaces. The 180-degree flex head helps you reach small places for effortless operation. Made from premium chrome vanadium steel with heat treatment for maximum strength, the black electrophoretic coating improves surface corrosion resistance, prolonging service life. The set comes with an Oxford cloth tool pouch nicely marked for each wrench size, keeping them organized. Number 5 is the WORKPRO 8-inch Linesman Pro Screw Extractor Pliers. This is the tool you need when a stripped or rusted screw just won't budge. designed specifically to squeeze and turn crushed screws, rusted screws, fixed screws, and special screws. It can also be used for removing gas cans, sorting soy sauce bottles and plastic bottles. The unique non-slip jaws are designed specifically for gripping damaged or rusted fasteners. The approximate removable screw size ranges from 0.97 inches to 0.41 inches, or 2.46 to 10.5 millimeters, covering truss screws from M2 to M4 and pan screws from M1.6 to M1. These engineer pliers are made of heavy-duty chrome vanadium steel and processed with 5 boost crafts to improve hardness and durability. Heat-treated hardness reaches up to 55 HRC, with high-frequency treated hardness up to 65 HRC. Reviews praise the solid construction with no play in the pivot, comfortable grip, and excellent quality for the price. For under $25, this is a lifesaver. Number 6 is the WORKPRO Stainless Electrician Scissors. These 6.4-inch professional shears are a must-have for electrical work. With high-hardness blades and non-slip serrated edges, these scissors enable precise cutting. The blade thickness is 3.8 millimeters. Cutting capacity includes wire and cable up to AWG 12 and soft cable up to 0 AWG with a diameter of 8.5 millimeters in cross-sectional area of 50 square millimeters. These electrician scissors do more than just cut. They can cut wire and cable, strip wire, and crimp cable terminals. 3 functions in one versatile tool. The TPR ergonomic handles are non-slip and comfortable to hold, with a hanging hole design for easy storage. The included sheath protects the blade from rust and prevents injury. Featuring a belt clip, it's convenient for daily carry and storage in your pocket. Number 7 is the WORKPRO 34-piece mini ratchet wrench set. This compact set is perfect for tight spaces and precision work. The innovative handle design holds 1/4-inch hex bits and sockets simultaneously at the head, while featuring a built-in 8mm box-end wrench at the tail. This all-in-one design provides extra leverage for stubborn bolts and eliminates the need for tool swapping in cramped quarters. Measuring just 4.13 inches long and 0.47 inches thick, this offset driver reaches where standard tools fail. Features a high-precision 72-tooth reversible ratchet mechanism, requiring only a 5-degree swing arc. The set includes 23 precision S2 steel bits and 8 metric CRV sockets from 4 to 12 millimeters, plus an extension bar and impact-resistant case. Ideal for engine bays, motorcycle frames, hidden furniture fasteners, and appliance repairs. Number 8 is the WORKPRO 8-inch mini bolt cutter. Don't let the size fool you. This is a heavy-duty cutter that handles serious materials. Durable steel with drop-forged construction and heat treatment provides strength and durability with hardness up to 65 HRC. The classic leverage design and precisely aligned blades deliver added strength, requiring less effort during cutting. Max cutting capacity is 2.3 millimeters. Note that cutting locks is not recommended. The patented 3rd-generation ergonomic handles are anti-slip and more comfortable, ensuring your safety. The built-in handle lock makes storage easy and safe. The 8-inch mini size fits easily in your tool bag, making it comfortable for working and secure transport. Users have successfully cut thin bolts, wires, cables, and more. It's a necessary tool for electrician engineers and anyone needing to cut wire or cable. The spring-loaded design makes one-handed operation easy. Number 9 is the WORKPRO Self-Adjusting Wire Stripper. This innovative tool makes stripping wire effortless with its automatic adjustment mechanism. The 3-in-1 multifunction tool strips, cuts, and crimps wire. It's ideal for copper, cable, coaxial, thermal, and aluminum wire. The innovative self-adjusting mechanism reliably strips conductors by automatically adjusting the cutting blade accuracy. It handles copper and aluminum cables from 10 to 24 AWG. made from high-quality steel, which is heat-treated, polished, and black oxidation processed, making it durable enough to deal with hard stripping work. The anti-slip handle provides maximum leverage and a comfortable grip experience, helping you exert enough force while reducing hand fatigue. This self-adjusting wire stripper is ideal for electricians, DIY enthusiasts, in industrial and domestic use. It's suitable for stripping, cutting, and insulated terminal crimping of copper wire, aluminum wire, sheathed core wire, cable, multiple sheathed wires, and bare terminals. Number 10 is the WORKPRO 39-piece magnetic nut driver set. This comprehensive set covers almost any nut driving need. It includes 65mm metric and SAE nut drivers, 38mm metric and SAE drivers, impact socket adapters, a magnetic bit holder, and screwdriver bits. One set covers everything. All drivers are made of CRV steel for durability, with electrophoretic surfaces for corrosion resistance. Clear size marks make identification easy. Red and blue color codes help distinguish SAE from metric. Red for SAE, blue for metric. The reinforced magnets securely hold bits while tightening or loosening. The universal 1/4-inch hex shank fits any drill, driver, or socket wrench.